Hello people. Today I'm gonna play retro TDS solo
Grass
problems
grows, birds
while
fly,
I'm
sun
inhaling
shines,
carbon
and brother,
monoxide.
I hurt people.
If you don't know, if you inhale it, you have dizziness, nausea, vomiting, and more. So let's try this challenge, okay? Because no one did this challenge, okay? I want to be really original with it, so let's try this out, man. Let's do it. Alright, level 1's Red Scout. I feel a little bit weird in my brain, but it's not a little bit good. It's not that bad, okay? Sure, maybe I'd be speaking weird, but it's fine. It's not that I'm gonna fucking die or something. Alright, so I got Redemption Cowboy. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade Redemption Cowboy. And here comes the normal boss. So, I have a little bit of chest pain, and it's getting a little bit harder to breathe. Um, you know, it happens, okay? And it doesn't mean that I'm gonna fucking die, so everything is alright, okay? Alright, I got Redemption Cowboy on level 2. Alright, so... yeah, okay, so it's level 2, so I'm gonna use Redemption Cowboy ability to get some money, you know, it's actually really broken. So, I hope I'm gonna max out really quick with Redemption Cowboy and more, so yeah. Alright, here comes Necromancer. I hope we can get it easily, because we have 2 Redemption Cowboys. Yeah, um, yeah, we got him. Alright, here comes another Necromancer. Oh, okay, here comes the big boss, slow boss. Yeah, we can take him easily because I have I have four Redemption Cowboys. I'm sorry. I have 4 Redemption Cowboys, so it's gonna be easier to do. There we go. Yeah, we just drained his HP off. That's great. Alright, here comes second slow boss. Alright, we can take him out. Yeah, with my 4 Redemption Cowboys. Yup. Yeah, I told you we could get him out. Alright, put the turret down. Put the turret down. I put the turret down. Ah! Here comes Speedy Boss. Here comes Speedy Boss. He's below. He's below. He's below. He's below. He's below.